Hello webmasters, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you guys where to get feedbacks and reviews of your brand new website for free. So say you just created a new website or design and you want to get some feedbacks of your new website. Here's a good place to get some feedback from other webmasters and marketers. The first place is Digital Point, and this is a forum category right here specifically for reviewing websites, and I'll leave the link in the description below. So here people post their new sites and then other members can review it. So let's look at an example. So this guy wants people to review his new blog, a tech blog, and here he got some feedback, and people are going to be blunt about the feedback and reviews since it's all free. So you're going to get some real objective views on your website development or designs. And the first few reviews suggested he use a different domain name rather than TK. Go for the top domain, so which are good constructive feedbacks, and the site looks good. Again, the top level domain is an issue. People here at this forum, they're gonna give you some general ideas about your website, again, which is good if you're launching your first website and need some real feedbacks for free, and it's pretty quick too. So here's another one, tech blog, and here he's got a feedback. There's nothing wrong, site looks good, I love your blog. So everybody likes this guy's website, so that's good. Okay, let's look at another place, Nimpros. Again, I will leave the link in the description below. So here we have web design and reviews, and you can also review adult sites and professional appraisals. So this Nimpros is not as popular, at least in this category, as Digital Point, but once you make a new post, people will actually review. So here, let's look at this example, Pickup Names. So he started a new website for a marketplace to sell his domains, and here we have some feedbacks. It's a good idea, and he's suggesting to look at the business model, if earning the affiliate commissions is high enough to make it worthwhile. So the review goes beyond just the design and development. People actually suggest other things like how to make money from it, monetizing, and sometimes go into suggesting other opportunities. So I hope this video helps. Thanks again for viewing. Please check back to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy marketing.